Happy Father's Day to my brother John Michael Malaton Galimba. And happy Father's Day to my father Jaime Malaton Galimba. Alright. June 21, 2026. Happy Father's Day. Alright. Happy Father's Day. CPA 2023 John Michael Malaton Galimba. Fight bro. Happy Father's Day bro. Fight. Okay, nagluto na. Okay.
Cooking. Sinabaw na isda.
Alright. Susunod be, sana dito. Ito, tara. Happy Father's Day. Papa Jaime Malaton Galimba. Alright. Happy Father's Day. God prosper you in all areas of life. Alright.